Welcome to Celebrities in History, where we dive daily into the world of celebrity history, highlighting the most interesting birthdays, significant events, and notable moments involving iconic stars from the past and present. In addition to our daily videos, we also delve into various aspects of celebrity life. Today we are diving into Kamala Harris. What if I told you that behind her groundbreaking political career lies a treasure trove of untold stories? Get ready to uncover 20 mind-blowing facts about the vice president that will leave you amazed. Stick around because number one is something you won't want to miss. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Number 20. Did you know Kamala Harris is the first woman, first black person, and first person of South Asian descent to become Vice President of the United States? Talk about shattering not one, but multiple glass ceilings. Number 19. Her multicultural heritage is truly global. Her mother is from India and her father is from Jamaica. This unique blend makes her a true representation of the American melting pot. Number 18. She attended Howard University, a historically black university, where she majored in political science and economics. Howard is also known as the Mecca. Could this be where she honed her leadership skills? Number 17. Kamala began her career prosecuting child sexual assault cases at the Alameda County District Attorney's Office. A fierce protector from the start, wouldn't you say? Number 16. In 2003, she became the first woman and the first person of color to be elected District Attorney of San Francisco. Breaking barriers seems to be her specialty. Number 15. As California's Attorney General, she was the first woman, first African American, and first South Asian to hold the position. Triple firsts. Now that's impressive. Number 14. She's not just a politician, but also an author. Kamala has written books like Smart on Crime and The Truths We Hold. An American Journey. Could a Pulitzer be next? Number 13. She's a proud member of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority, Incorporated, the oldest Greek letter organization established by African American college women. Sisterhood and service run deep with her. Number 12. Believe it or not, Kamala is a foodie who loves to cook. She's famous among friends for her tuna melt sandwiches. Who wouldn't want to attend that lunch meeting? Number 11. Her stepchildren affectionately call her Momala, a blend of mom and Kamala. It's a title she cherishes more than any political accolade. Number 10. Fashion alert. Kamala is known for her love of Converse Chuck Taylor sneakers. She even wore them on the campaign trail. Comfort meets style. Anyone? Number 9. In 2017, she became the first South Asian American senator in U.S. history. The Senate floor just got a lot more diverse. Number 8. She ran for the 2020 Democratic presidential nomination, but later endorsed Joe Biden. Little did she know she'd soon be his vice president. Number 7. Kamala is renowned for her sharp questioning skills during Senate hearings. Remember her grilling during the Supreme Court confirmation hearings. Let's just say she doesn't miss a beat. Number 6. An advocate for criminal justice reform, she has introduced legislation addressing police misconduct and racial bias, making strides for a fairer system. Is there anything she can't do? Number 5. Her name, Kamala, means lotus in Sanskrit and is another name for the Hindu goddess Lakshmi. A name rich in meaning for a woman rich in accomplishments. Number 4. She has a younger sister, Maya Harris, who is a lawyer and public policy advocate. Talk about a powerhouse duo. Number 3. Kamala is a fan of hip-hop music and has cited artists like Tupac Shakur and Snoop Dogg among her favorites. Who says politicians can't have great taste in music? Number 2. She's an avid reader and counts Toni Morrison among her favorite authors. The leader who reads is a leader indeed. Number 1. Drumroll, please. In 2021, Kamala Harris became the first woman in U.S. history to hold presidential power when President Biden temporarily transferred power to her during a medical procedure. a historic moment that sets the stage for future generations. If you enjoyed uncovering these incredible facts about Kamala Harris, make sure to smash that like button and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Celebrities in History for more mind-blowing stories, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Your support keeps us diving into the fascinating lives of iconic figures. Please share in the comments below the fact that surprised you the most.